G'day guys, so we're doing a suspension today on this short wheelbase Sport. We're going with the H&R 30mm on the front, 50 on the rear. So they're not actually too bad, they're actually a bit easier than the Transport or the older T6 6.1s. You can undo these two main bolts here, they're a bit like the T32s on them. These are a spline bolt as well, so you can't actually turn the bolt, it's only the nut and then they need to be knocked out. So be cautious of that if you're doing it yourself. Otherwise, there's three nuts on the top here, which easier to remove the battery, get some access in there. Again, that access is quite good. And then yeah, you can drop the whole strut out and change the spring. Obviously spring compressors to get that one off, so just be careful with those. The rears, this one is actually having a 200 kg constant load rear spring in it, because in the back he's got a heap of cabinetry and drawers and things like that in there, so he's going to have a lot of weight in here all the time. So these are a little bit uprated on the back. Very simple, take a bit of weight off the swing arm, undo your shocker, the rear spring will come out. We will shorten this bump stop here, so we remove this plastic part, put a shorter bolt in there and then bolt that back up and then drop the new spring in. Easy as that.